As we move along on the job site here, as you see, we got all 4 panels installed on the right side here. We got 3 panels on the left, and we're down to the final panel. So exciting day here. As you see the team here, they're operating the manipulator. Amazing piece of machinery. It's precise. It keeps us safe, and that's what allows us to do these precise installs. So follow me here. Machine is set in place, outriggers keeping everyone safe, and the operator here doing these subtle movements to get this thing inside the track.